Unraveling the meaning of peak season. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a very interesting English phrase, peak season. This term is widely used but can be a bit confusing for English learners. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started. Peak season refers to the time of year when a particular place is most popular with visitors or tourists, and when the prices of hotels, flights, and other services might be at their highest due to high demand. It's the period when a destination or business experiences the highest level of activity, customer interest, or sales. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Tourism. In tropical beach destinations, the peak season is often during the winter months in colder countries. For instance, December to February might be the peak season in the Caribbean because people from colder regions are looking for a warm getaway. 2. Retail business. For retail stores, the peak season is usually around the holiday period, like Christmas, when people are buying gifts for their loved ones. 3. Agriculture. In agriculture, the peak season refers to the time of harvest when the crops are ready and at their best quality. Now, let's see how you can use this phrase in sentences. We should avoid traveling during the peak season as the flight prices are incredibly high. The hotel is fully booked through the peak season. We should have made reservations earlier. As a farmer, he is extremely busy during the peak season of the harvest. I hope this video helps clarify the meaning and usage of the phrase, peak season. Remember, it's all about the time when demand, interest, or activity is at its highest. Use it confidently in your conversations, especially when discussing travel, business, or seasons. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more English language tips. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.